Let's talk about the collapse happening in the marketing industry. I know there's many marketers out there who come across my videos now and then. And, for the last decade, I've been talking a lot about freelancing and what you can do as a marketer, what's possible, remote income. But right now, it's sort of impossible to ignore what I'm calling the collapse. And it's not that marketing work is going away per se, but it's dramatically shifted. And the value of what we do as marketers is really changing. And I think that's where the collapse is. It's a collapse in value in terms of what are people willing to pay for a blog post? What are people willing to pay for an SEO audit? What are people willing to pay for editing a video? And I think that's the big red flag here, is that those tasks, those skills are truly collapsing in what they're worth to other people. And so as marketers, anyone, whether you're in a job, whether you're freelancing, running an agency, you have to quickly adjust to what the expectations are of the clients, of the companies, of the people you work for, because they're going to be looking elsewhere if you're not adapting. If you're not acknowledging the collapse in value, you will sort of be out of business, or you'll be out of a job. And what I see is a dangerous move is hiding and sort of pretending that you're not using AI and that it's not saving you, 20 hours a week of work, and expecting people to continue to pay you the same, and sort of hiding behind that sort of tactical move. I think that's going to bite a lot of people. I think they're going to wake up and say, hey, you've been replaced by, a $20 a month software. I think back to, a common marketing task that we all do is building landing pages. And the effort that would go into a great landing page, not just the HTML or coding up a web page, but the images, the copy, the overall design, the elements of persuasion. And then there's the opt-in, getting the form to work and navigating the automation there. And that used to be like a week of work. You could easily spend 2, 3, 4, 5, even more, days building out a great landing page. And I swear, from my current experience, it's a 10-minute job now. It can all be done, with a Claude or a ChatGPT account, working in some of these code style softwares like Claude Code or Codex. And I know we're kind of in a bubble, many of us, and really we're the 1%, those that are doing this, but it's going to spread, it's going to happen, and you really have to be aware. And now there's something that's happening, I think, because of all this. I think that, we used to have specialists who would do different jobs. There would be the web designer, there'd be the graphic designer, the copywriter, the video editor. These were all different people. And, in sort of 2017, 2020, around that time, I was one of the very first people who was saying, no, you could be what's called a full stack marketer. You can do it all. You can be a video editor. You can be a copywriter. Like, you can learn all this stuff from the internet. And that's what I was doing. And I was using sort of this one-person marketing agency model. I was offering a subscription to my clients, and they could ask me for a multitude of different tasks. And I would be busy, I would be working 40, 50 hours a week and running 3 to 5 client accounts at any given time. And I found that was a great living and a great career. And I continue to do that today, but the work I'm doing is just so dramatically different. The amount of hours I have to put in is just a fraction of what I used to do. And like I said, the work hasn't gone anywhere. It's just like how long things take have been cut by 90% in some cases. And you can set a task to start working for you with AI, and you can go to the gym, you can have a coffee, you can play with your kids, you can drop them off at school and come back and you've got a brief ready for you, or if you've got a web page ready for you. So, to not acknowledge this collapse in value is a big mistake. And I think that there's one key move for people, and that's really to continue the path of the full stack marketer. And nowadays, I prefer to call it the complete marketer. I think that, full stack was a bit technical, and being a complete marketer, it makes sense to people. And you don't really have to be an expert at everything, you can sort of lean on AI to help you fill in some of the gaps. And when you're not spending time like, writing code for a web page or poring over every line of copy, or you're not pixel editing some design, when you're not doing that stuff, you can spend more time thinking about the bigger picture, sort of the high level strategy and making sure that's on point. You can spend more time with customers and research and understanding like what people really want. And so I think that, and we've been saying this for well over a year, it's like everyone leveled up. Everyone went up a notch. There's no more grunts. There's no more entry level. It's like evaporated, right? Like everyone has their own junior marketer on their side, and that's AI. And so you have to sort of level up and be a bit more of a marketing director, a fractional CMO, a strategic growth partner. You have to move up into these spaces. And the way you do that is by understanding like the bigger picture, the customer journey as a whole, understanding how the entire machine works and how you can make small adjustments, how you can leverage AI to make the machine overall more powerful, more leverage, more output, and grow a business and earn more profits and revenue for the business or the company you're working for. And so the complete marketer, it has a good general knowledge of marketing. And so for all of you guys like me who had shiny object syndrome for years, and you thought you had constantly chasing different things, it's kind of coming full circle for you, and you're now able to kind of just have this bigger picture, and you're able to go in and do the SEO or the AEO. You're able to go in and update the website and guide Claude to make changes and build out different pages. You're able to build out 20, 30 variations of an ad within an hour or two. And that really makes you very potent and powerful in this industry. So, there's a collapse in value in tasks, but there's an increase in value in strategic oversight, ownership, building campaigns, being a confident strategic marketer, someone who can get results for a company and do it rapidly. I see a lot of people still trying to sell offers that are like, I'll do this funnel in 90 days. It's like 90 days, you should be able to do 90 funnels in 90 days. Everything is a one-day job now, almost everything. And if you're a business owner watching this, you're going to become aware too. Like, don't let people take advantage of you, tell you something takes weeks. It takes hours. And in some cases, it takes minutes, especially if you're working with a competent, what we might call an AI orchestrator, someone who is deploying AI or agents in all of the core pillars of business. Every, marketing channel, organic, paid, search, affiliate, referral. You want to have AI working for you in all of these areas. And so it's not to say, like this is all doom and gloom. It's to be real and to be an honest person. And look, lawyers are dealing with it. Accountants are dealing with it. Coders are dealing with it. And even people in the trades, like people think trades is so safe. Like, have you seen the robots painting the walls? Have you seen the robots, pruning the trees? Have you seen the robots cleaning up, trash and debris? Like, everything is going to be affected. And I think the people who acknowledge it now and make a strategic career pivot are the ones that are going to get ahead. And I see what's happening is there's like this gap, right? There's the people who are acknowledging it now, maybe taking a step back, but they're ultimately going to create a gap between them and those who just sit back and hope for the best, to hope somehow this reverses course, because it's not going to do that. I don't think so. And I don't see us going back to a time where we don't utilize AI. I don't believe there's any historic precedent where technology reversed itself. So acknowledge the collapse in value of tasks, level yourself up, and become a complete marketer. And I think there's a bit more to this argument, and I've been spending some time writing it all out. There's about 5 key points you want to understand. I put it in a document for you so you can read it over when you have time. Don't want to make this a super long video, but I'll put a link below to my 25-page document. It outlines what I see as the future of the complete marketer and how you can become that. What are the obvious moves you should make? And And I think the sooner you make them, the better. So check that link out below. Thanks for watching this video. Best of luck as we, go through this phase of our career. And you can always hit me up at rich@richux.com if you want to discuss this and you want some advice on your career, or you're looking for some training to become a complete marketer. I can help you out with that.